The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have Tesla, and before we begin, I know there's quite a bit of you guys who wanted to see Tesla, so here we go. And also, there's only about 3 days or 3.5 days left to get my course on sale, so make sure you look for that discount code in the community section of my YouTube channel and take advantage of this sale because it will not last long. So let's take a look at the daily chart for Tesla. Looks like there was this downtrend in play right over here, which is pretty much over because now we're kind of going up or sideways. So you see there was this downtrend in play right here. Let's go leave it orange, and then we had a break of the pattern, went down to retest the low, found some type of support, made a double bottom, and since then we have not come back down to this 208 level at the lows. From there, prices went range bound. So I'll show you guys that right now. Looks like we were inside of a range, strong resistance right around the 250 level, the 257 level. Once we broke outside of this range, we doubled it, which is expected after a breakout is successful. And you can see if I drag this up, the high of the previous range is the midline of this range, and we created a double top right over here, which signifies that we could go back all the way to the lows or the bottom of this range, especially since if I connect the swings, you can see that we had a break outside of this pattern and a move to new high. So very similar to the downtrend where we had a break of the pattern and a double bottom. Well, we had a break of this uptrend and double top. So technical analysis works on uptrends, downtrends, any time frame, any chart. So what does it look like we're doing now? Well, recently we're seeing a pullback occur because prices did make 2 legs down. You can see this first leg right here. If I drag this over, this was the second leg, and right at the tip of this arrow, price had a hard time passing through. Now we're seeing a pullback. Looks like they want to probably come back up to the 311 level. I think that's a good target for prices to reach. Maybe we break it, but as of right now, it does look like prices do want to pull back a little bit higher. There is this downtrend in place, so we could find some resistance fairly soon, maybe at the 290 level, and then continue lower. We'll have to wait and see. But if we break that 290 level, I think they want to bring the prices up to at least the 310 level. So that's all I see on the daily chart. It does look like it's going to be bullish in the short term. Medium term to long term is probably going to continue down and knock out these prior all-time lows for this downtrend. I just don't think this downtrend is over yet, and it could be a while before equities start to give some good signs on the chart. So that's all I have for Tesla on the daily chart. Basically, we had a breakout of a range, double top, saw a little correction down. Now we're seeing a pullback occur. This could be a breakout of this pattern, maybe something like this. If we don't get up to that 310 level, then we're probably just going to roll over like this, back down to fill in this gap at the 250 level, and then retest these prior lows at the low 200s. So let's go and switch it over to the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for Tesla, and pretty much same price as we were back in January of 2021. So it could be 2 years that we've been trading around this 283 level. They did have a stock split, but I'm just using the price that is currently on the chart. So looks like overall it's kind of like a range pattern because we didn't really go up or down since 2021. Just pretty much came back right to that point. So it looks like there's some support at the 189 level, resistance right around the 387 level. So looks like it's just a drawn out downtrend, and what I mean by that is you can see if I connect the swings, we're doing a very wide slow and weak channel. So we could go up a little bit higher. Like I said, there is resistance. We are very close to a trend line that could turn down prices right over here, which is at right around the 310 level or the low 300s, and then from there we could see a drop down maybe to the lower of the range, and then a rally up, and then very like slow and choppy downtrend, which is kind of like the worst because it can last a long time and it just draws out and just drains you of your patience because it's just very slow, even though you think and almost know that prices are going to continue down lower. So you can see there was a massive sell-off here, but then we got a bounce, and now, you know, it's been like several months before. It took several months just to get back up here. Now it's gonna take another couple months to get down here. Then I think you guys understand the point though, but overall it's just a slow and choppy downtrend, so that's what it looks like. So I'm expecting lower prices, even though we could go up in the short term. We could go up to that 310 level, 311 level, but even though I'm thinking we can go up, I wouldn't be looking for longs because the bias is down. So eventually we're probably going to knock out these lows and reach the lower side of this range at the 180, 190 level. If we do something really bullish, then obviously I'll change my mind. But as right now, even if we do break outside of this orange channel, even if we get up to the 320 level, I'll still be bearish. I have to see a lot more bullish signs for me to change my bias. But basically that's all I see for Tesla. It looks like we're going to see a pullback. Probably to the low 300s, 310, maybe 320. From there, I'm still expecting continuation to the downside, knock out these prior lows at the 207 level, and maybe eventually hit the lower side of this range at the 189 level. So thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised what you can learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.